Happy Friday evening, everybody, and welcome to the final winter storm slash nor'easter slash bomb cyclone update. So, blizzard warnings have been issued for eastern, southeastern, and coastal Maine in areas like Eastport, Bangor, Ellsworth, and Portland. And taking a look at what the National Weather Service is saying in the blizzard warning. The blizzard warning goes from 7 a.m. tomorrow through 7 a.m. Sunday. And the National Weather Service is saying blizzard conditions with major blowing and drifting snow and whiteout conditions. Total snow accumulations of 14 to 20 inches are expected. Winds gusting as high as 45 to 55 miles per hour across all these blizzard warning orange counties in Maine. Moving down towards the Boston, Cape Cod, Providence, Newport area. The National Weather Service has issued a blizzard warning from 12 a.m. this evening to 12 a.m. Sunday morning, with blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 1.5 to 2 feet, with localized 30 inches possible. As I was saying in my video yesterday, I was saying that areas around Boston could see up to 3 feet. Now even the National Weather Service is saying that Boston could receive up to 2.5 feet. Winds gusting up to 60 miles per hour in Boston, Cape Cod, and Rhode Island. And we now have blizzard warnings even down towards Long Island from Islip eastward, with snow accumulations of 12 to 16 inches, winds gusting 55 miles per hour. Going down towards southeastern and eastern New Jersey, including Atlantic City, we also have blizzard warnings now from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. tomorrow evening. And snow accumulations of 10 to 18 inches, winds up to 50 miles per hour. And going down towards even the southeastern Delmarva, we've got some blizzard warnings, including the southernmost county of Delaware, where snow accumulations of 10 to 18 inches are forecasted. And winds are going to be gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. So the storm has already developed, and I'll be showing you that right now. But actually, right before I show you that, areas in the pink are under winter storm warnings, and these go much further inland than even the blizzard warnings, covering all of Connecticut, all but 2 northwestern counties of New Jersey, the rest of Delaware, all the way up through southeast New Hampshire and Maine. And in the winter storm warnings, areas are going to be expected to see 7 to 18 inches of snow, and even in those areas, winds will be gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. In fact, I would treat most of these winter storm warnings as blizzard warnings, because with winds gusting over 35 miles per hour, that is already meeting blizzard criteria. So the fact that the winds are going to be gusting over 50 miles per hour in most of these winter storm warning areas, see 40 miles per hour, anything over 35 miles per hour is categorized as officially a blizzard. So anyway, let me show you the low pressure that has developed. And this was what the low pressure looked like at about 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It has developed about 200 miles east of Jacksonville. It has a minimum central pressure of 1,005 millibars, and it is going to be moving along the trough axis, which let me show you real quick. The trough axis looks something like this, and is going to be following the areas where the pressure is the lowest. So systems like these, they like to follow the path of least resistance, and in this case, the path of least resistance are these lowest pressure lines in the trough. So the nor'easter is going to be taking a track pretty close to what you see in this red arrow that I've drawn. It's going to be taking it about 100 miles off of Cape Hatteras by tomorrow morning, and by tomorrow afternoon, the low pressure will be somewhere around here, about 100 miles southeast of Cape Cod, slamming the area with blizzard conditions, thunder snow, storm surge, you name it. You're going to get it all. So anyway, thanks for watching my final update. Make sure that you are ready for this storm if you are in any of these areas that I'm circling northeastward, because you guys are going to be getting slammed with a dangerous blizzard tomorrow. So thanks for watching. If you like, leave a like, and have a wonderful evening, everybody.